Okay, page 227, exercise 04, level 1. The problem is
post-infectional pneumonia.
Post-infectional pneumonia. Now we're going to give you 3 seconds for you to pause the video and then solve the problem. Okay, now the answer is B99.9 and J17. Did you get it? If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. Okay, the first tip that we have is
Number 1. Going to tabular is just for checking the index. As long as it doesn't conflict with the description, it's okay. Pneumonia is an infectious disease.
Yeah, which means that once you find the codes in the index, the tabular is just for checking those, if there's any additional code, if there's any changes in that, and in the description of the tabular, there's no conflict with what you found in the index, then that's the code, right? And the other tip that is also included there is that you have to have 2 codes. That's what it says, answer code 1 and code 2, 1 and 2. So try to get the codes with these 2 tips. The codes that you have to get is B99.9 and J17. Okay, now we're going to give you a summary of the whole problem. If you didn't get the answer, this is how you solve the problem. The problem is post-infectious pneumonia, right? Now there are 2 codes. We gave you a tip for 2 codes. The path for code 1, the code 1 index, the path is this.
The first index, you go to the index.
Can you go with the mouse pointing that whatever you're saying? Okay, you go to
index.
Go to the index, then
you go to
pneumonia.
Then you go to post-infectional.
And it says something else. That's why we have the ellipsis, so those 3 points there. But then you get the code, right?
Yes.
And the code is
B99 point hyphen.
Or an additional character, right? A hyphen means an additional character. And then it tells you that there's an additional code, which is
J17.
J17. Now we're going to check one by one those 2 codes in the tabular. So the code 1 tabular is, the way to check it is,
first you go to tabular. Then you go to B99.
Which is the way to go. You start with the 3 characters, so it's B99. And what do you have there?
Other and unspecified infectious disease.
Which we told you in the tip that pneumonia is infectious disease, so it's not clashing. It's still okay. So keep going.
Okay. Then you go to B99.9, unspecified.
Unspecified means that they're not telling you what type of pneumonia is. That's what we have to choose, unspecified, right? So the first code is check. Now let's check in the tabular for the second code. So the code 2 tabular is,
you go to tabular.
Right.
Then you go to J17.
Which is the first 3 characters. And what do you have there?
Pneumonia in diseases classified elsewhere.
And in parentheses, it gives you an extra instruction.
Code first underlying disease.
And we have those already. The first underlying disease is B99.9. And we're just checking the J17. So that's the answer. The equal sign means that's the checking. That's the answer. So the answer, again, that's how you find the answer, B99.9. and J17. Okay, we hope we help you with finding the answers for these, and we finish this video with an invitation to visit our website. Thank you.